The lowly harvest fly could assist scientists open the secrets of Alzheimer's illness. A new £20-meter imbecility study institution at Cardiff College includes a fly lab. Researchers will be student the brains of the flies since they stake a big ratio of their genes in humans. They as well include a £1-meter Microsoft to brush, that is capable to conduct out thousands of tests on cells and gather information automatic. In Wales, down there are 45,000 human beings residing in imbecility, but the is set to growth to 100,000 by 2055. Cardiff is portion of a new £290-meter web of imbecility study centres, that includes Cambridge, Edinburgh and London, looking to discover a treatment. The harvest fly has a portion to act since it has lot genes that are such in Alzheimer's illness in humans. Its marrow, approximately the amount of a max semen, contains on 100,000 neurons. Humane brains include 100 trillion. But just possessing a lifetime loop of a few months, scientists can path how the fly's marrow ages far more than rapidly. Dr. Owen Peters, a lecturer and one of the researchers, told the flies can assist us no marrow feature. Flies enable us to do imagery techniques that we aren't capable to do in some pattern system, he told. If we discover a gene expression in the humane gene teaching how looks love he's related to Alzheimer's illness, and flies include it, it allows us to include a really fast, cheap framework, that we can testing to see how these influence marrow feature. Harvest flies are a little portion of the gene study that is looking to know superior how a household of diseases, that as well includes Parkinson's and Huntington's, act. We aware now how which we mind of as marrow rot, a sluggish disintegration of the marrow in human beings in imbecility, isn't how at all gene teaching include offered how the flesh's own defense framework could promote to Alzheimer's illness. In regular occasion, for sample while a infant's marrow is evolving, the flesh's own answer serving an essential goal, help to trim the marrow of nonsense and get rid of excess fabric house corrupt or dead. Yet he's mind in diseases love Alzheimer's how answer once could be injuring wholesome cells. Gender Morgan, prof of immunology, will be hard to try to evolve a superior insight on such mechanisms we aware now which we mind of as marrow rot, a sluggish disintegration of the marrow in human beings in imbecility, isn't how at all. Instead of he's an incendiary illness wherever the inflammatory is drive the destroying of marrow cells, told Professor Morgan. Or knowledge how offer us new approaches to treatment since we're nice at treat inflammatory in some diseases love joint inflammation and we can now begin thought of using such approaches to marrow diseases love Alzheimer's. Professor Julie Williams, Connect CEO of the institution, told in a crew of more than rather than 70 scientists in Cardiff and cooperation during the web, she believes it symbolism a move changing in the way the set of diseases is investigated. Down there are thousands of genes that will influence our receptivity to evolve these diseases so we can now seize largest of how data so can identify human beings who will be at a really top hazard of evolving the illness in the next, told Professor Williams. How will enable us by with samples of production to build cage model, mini brains relying on stock cells that we can increase and to sculpt in various tissues, so we can pattern the illness in a way we've not been capable to do in the history. The Welsh by the government is financing a £1-meter robot Microsoft, done in Lantrison, that is capable to scanning and analyze thousands of person cells at top rate.